All right, everyone, I thought it'd be helpful. I did a full review here for you on this sauna that I got off of Amazon and just show you how to set it up and how it works. So setup was very simple. It only took me like 10 minutes to do. I'm going to show you that in a second here, but now that it's all set up, there are a couple different zippers I want to show you, which is really cool. So this window opens up completely with these zippers here if you wanted to either air it out or after you're done, like get the moisture out of it. But the window opens by itself, and then also the door does too, so you can get in and out of it. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm going to show you setting up right now and how easy that was.
Okay, here's everything it comes with. You get all the pulls, the chair. It actually comes with the chair to sit in, but it's really easy to put together. So as you can see, I'm just putting the poles together here. There's a couple B poles and a couple A poles. There's not much to do. Very, very simple. Now I'm doing the bottom and the top portion, which are the A poles. Again, it only took me about 15 minutes tops to set this up. It was very easy to do, very self-explanatory. Now you just put the B poles into the A poles, which is the base and the top. Put the top together. And now you put the frame into the sauna material itself. Again, it fit perfectly. It wasn't really tight or anything like that. Very easy to do. Pull the top over and fit it around the top part of the frame there. Then you go ahead and zip up all the doors just to get it all closed up here. Then you'll take the mat and put it on the bottom of the sauna just to keep the moisture from the floor when you're sitting there. And finish zipping it all up. Now to hook up the heater, very simple as well. You have two hoses. One hooks up to the heater itself and then to the sauna. As you can see, it just pushes right into place. There's no cables or anything you need to tie up. Then you hook up the inside tube, which is for the steamer. Again, just pushes right into place, very simple. Take the steamer, push that into place as well. And you're good to go.
Okay, now that it's all set up, I want to show you how to turn it on and how simple that is. So this is the heater itself. You do have to fill this up with water before you turn it on, and it says to fill it up about 1 inch from the top, which I already did. After that, you take the lid here, and then you just put it into the slots like that and turn it to lock it into place. Now, there's a few different ways you can turn it on. Obviously, just from the control panel here, once it's plugged in, that is this on button here. It's all touchscreen. You have your temperature gauges. It goes all the way up to, or 15 is the highest, or lower here. So I'm gonna set it at the highest temp, and then you have your timer. So you can go up to 60 minutes or less if you want. So that's one way to do it. It does come with this remote too, which does the same things. Timer, heating, and then power on and off. And then also you can use an app, which I'm gonna show you right now.
Okay, so you just open up the app here and you'll see your sauna heater right there. You click it, and then it has the power button on the bottom. That way you can turn it on. If you're upstairs and your sauna's in the basement, you can get it ready. The timer right there, so you can control how long you want it going for. You can go up to 60 minutes or down from there. And then the heating as well. So you can either turn it up to the highest setting, which is 15, or down.
Okay, now that it's up to full temp, it only took about 10 minutes to get warmed up. I'm gonna hop in and show you how it works, but I wanted to show you really quick. It has a robe or towel holder on the side that you can hang here. That way when you get out, you have something to dry off. So, all right, I've been sitting in here for about 5 minutes, already getting pretty sweaty here, but as you can see, it's all fogged up, steam everywhere on the walls. I'm not really sure if I can get it good with the camera, but yeah, there you go, you can see. So, feels super, super nice in here. Very relaxing, love it. All right, well, I sat in there for only about 10 minutes. As you can see, I am soaked. It feels so nice in there. It's super relaxing. You can sit in there for even longer. It says you can sit in there for up to an hour if you wanted to, but it is super nice. I can't wait to use this more often. So hope this helps anyone looking at these.